Here we go, everybody. We're back for round number 4 on our huge giveaway here. We're going to be opening this case today, but real quick, I want to go over what we've got again. Okay, check it out. This is the second round of huge giveaways that Wheel Collectors has done. The first one was 2 sets of Retro Forza. The next is Gran Turismo, the 12-car box that we did. The next one that we just did on Monday was 2 sets of Car Culture L case. We're going to be giving all this away probably after video 7 or 8. So be sure that you're subscribing to us because you might miss it. And go back and look at those other videos if you haven't looked at them yet, because you can still win them. They're still open. Commenters and subscribers both have chances to win those other ones. Okay, so this case right here is another super hard to find case, sealed. I can't even believe that we had this. It was literally laying at the very back on the top of a rack. Several years old. Let's show you what this is. This is just something that is just, to me, it's cool to go back and look at some of these old cases. 24 cars in this case. Okay. This right here, because we did, number 1, we decided, you know what? Let's go do number 2. This is Gran Turismo 2. Another hard to find store exclusive. Again, I'm not even sure why we have this in a case, but here we go. We're going to do it 3 by 3. The first 3 cars in this particular case are one of my personal favorites. Check out the card backs too. This right here is the Ford GT. Every car in this particular case of 24 cars is 3 per case. Okay? 3 per case, which means this is one of those cases where there's 3 sets in it. Doesn't happen often, but occasionally they just have a perfect mix to where you have an even number of sets. The next 3 cars in the case, this one to me is very underrated. There's 3. It's the Renault Sport R.S. 1. This is a pretty insane car. Again, this is a set that has really nice tampos throughout it. They took a long time to figure out the tampos, I'm sure. Here is the M4 that's in the case. It says M Performance Safety Car. Kind of a promo vehicle. Got the M stripes on it. The M is one of the cars that I just personally love because it looks like all of the other cars, like the 400 series or the 500 series, and then it's got the M. But it looks just like the other cars, so it's like a sheep and, wolf in sheep's clothing there. Okay, the next 3 cars are probably going to be one of your favorite. It's the ever popular Nissan Skyline GT-R. Again, 3 per case. 3 sets per case on this particular box. Check that out. Pretty sick. This is another very popular casting in this particular case. It's getting harder to find Lancer castings. So again, 3 per case. They did a bright yellow Lancer, Gran Turismo style. Lancer Evolution obviously is the Subaru STI competitor, but there's a lot of competition between the two, but I would take either one to drive. Okay, this is another super popular car that was in the case. It's the McLaren F1 GTR. Check that out. Super bright orange with the decals on it. Okay, there's only two more cars left in the case. They're both blue. The first one is the Renault Megane Trophy. Got the Gran Turismo on the windshield on that one. That's pretty sweet. Then the very last car, last but not least, is the 2014 Corvette Stingray. Super cool set. Again, super hard to find in a case. Here's what we're going to do on this particular giveaway. We're not going to give away two sets. We're going to give away all three. Okay, so here's the top-down view of the case. And we're going to give away one of these to a commenter, one to a subscriber, and guess what? We'll do another commenter on the third set on the Gran Turismo. Thanks again for joining us. Be sure to stay tuned. This is round 4 of our second giveaway. Thank you for joining us.